In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link your Microsoft Outlook calendar to Loom. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now let's get started. First things first, you'll want to open Loom. If you haven't already signed in, go ahead and do that. It's pretty straightforward. Just enter your credentials and you'll be on the dashboard in no time. Once you're in, take a look at the left side of your screen. You'll see several options, and the one we want to focus on is labeled Meetings. Go ahead and click on that. After you click on Meetings, you'll notice a button that says Connect Outlook Calendar. Go ahead and click on that as well. This action will prompt a Microsoft sign-in window to pop up. At this point, you'll need to sign in with your Microsoft account. Make sure you enter the correct email address and password associated with your Outlook account. If you have two-factor authentication set up, be ready to enter the verification code sent to your device. Once you're signed in, Loom will request certain permissions that it needs to access your Outlook calendar. This is a normal part of the process, so take a moment to review these permissions carefully. If everything looks good, go ahead and click either Accept or Allow. Now the next step is crucial for fully utilizing this integration. You'll be presented with an option to choose which meetings you want Loom to record automatically. This means that you can select specific types of meetings or certain calendar entries that would benefit from being recorded. Think about the meetings that you often revisit, or those that require notes for later. Make your selections and then carefully move on to the last step of this setup process. Click on Finish Setup to complete the linkage between Loom and your Outlook calendar. And just like that, you've successfully linked your Microsoft Outlook calendar to Loom. Now, when you schedule meetings in Outlook, Loom will automatically recognize them based on the preferences you set. This can be an incredibly helpful feature, especially if you regularly share insights from meetings or if your team needs to stay in sync with recorded sessions. I want to take a moment to emphasize the benefits of this integration. By having both tools connected, you can save a significant amount of time and effort. Instead of manually recording your meetings or trying to remember what you discussed, everything becomes streamlined. You can focus more on your gatherings and less on the logistics. If you're like most people and you have back-to-back meetings, knowing that Loom is taking care of the recording can give you the peace of mind that none of your discussions will be missed. And for those who need the recordings later, they will be organized and easily accessible, making follow-up easier than ever. Remember, if you ever want to make changes to this integration or update your preferences regarding which meetings get recorded, you can navigate back to the Meetings section in Loom. It's all about customizing your experience to fit your needs. So there you have it. Linking your Microsoft Outlook calendar to Loom is not just a time-saving step, but also a way to enhance your productivity and ensure that essential information is captured. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing and liking this video. Your support helps us create more content to guide you on more productivity tips in the future. Thanks for watching.